Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to be talking about taking pictures and sharing it on social media of the events you go to.
Yeah, so Jessica, she's going to have most to add on this one because she does most of my social media sharing. One thing that I do a lot of is I'll do in the moment shots in the shop. I will take pictures of my work as I'm working in progress photos and in things like that. And, that's to help keep, former clients or clients currently like in the loop about how well their progress is going on their jobs, as well as also to inspire other people and just generally let everybody know what I've been up to and that I'm not dead. So
yeah, especially when you're doing events, if you take photographs of it, it helps you keep track of which events you did when, and it also gives you materials for referencing back to. So for example, if you are trying to get a demonstration gig and for some reason you have to prove how it went, you've got those photographs as evidence. More specifically, if you're sharing it on social media as well, it gives the opportunity for people who may be looking for blacksmithing demonstrations to find you.
Yep, and that's a big one. There's been a lot of times I've been contacted basically because somebody found me on the web, or they had saw me at a demonstration or a live event somewhere, or I taught a Boy Scout group or this or that, and they had my name on file, and and that led to other gigs. At first they were free gigs. We just did a 3 Minutes at 3 on that just recently we did, and talking about that a little bit more in depth, but most of them were free to start with, but then that led to paying demonstrations and paying gigs, which is, something that makes the business side a lot more viable for you.
Yeah, and another good reason for using social media in this way is that you can tag the event you were in or the business, if you were associated with a business or whatever it is, you can tag them in it and potentially get more exposure back to yourself. And especially if somebody, let's say you were at a show and somebody maybe took your card and then lost it, or they didn't get the chance to grab a card, they may see you, after a day or so up on the social media and be like, oh yeah, there's that guy, I wanted to get with him about, XYZ, and then now he has a way of contacting you.
Yeah, and that can be really, really super beneficial. There's been multiple times where it's been up to a year later that we've been contacted by somebody that saw me at an event.
Yeah, so. Sure has. Well, that's it for this 3 at 3.
Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and like we always say, God bless you.
And take care.
And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.